Fourth graders, here's how you upload your work to Padlet. You can see at the top that this is for our read aloud across the wide and lonesome prairie. Here's where you'll upload Monday's assignments, Mondays, the blurb chart, Tuesday's assignment, Wednesday, Thursday, and Friday. So let's say today is Monday and I need to upload a picture of my blurb chart. I'm going to go to Monday and click on the plus underneath it. For your title, always put your first name and your last name because we have some fourth graders with the same first name. So I'm going to put Dalia Avila for my title. Then I'm going to click the camera to take a picture of my work. I'm going to click the camera. I don't have my blurb chart with me, so I'm going to take a picture of this and let's pretend that it's my blurb chart. Center it, make sure it's easy to see. Click the camera, 2, 1. Awesome. And then you can choose if you want it normal, grayscale, or sepia. I like sepia in this case. And you can add a caption. I had fun making my blurb chart. And save it. And then your picture will appear under the Monday section and you're done for the day. You'll come back on Tuesday, you'll listen to the read aloud, and then you'll take a picture of your chart and put it in here, okay? Have fun with this read aloud all about the Oregon Trail. Hasta pasta.